Yes. So, good afternoon. Today, 23rd September, I am starting this lecture on Python. If you have to know the Python programming, you have to go to Guido van Rossum, because he passed his graduation at the age of 26, because he is always in the lab and he developed the language as per his vision. At that time, Python cannot be comparable with Java. Java, again and again I'm telling you, Java is look like C, is a statically typed, and Python is dynamically typed. What is dynamically typed? So that at any point anything can be there. So a variable can be is a dynamically typed, and it can be sometimes integer point, floating point, and it is what is the usefulness? Usefulness is there. Your code has less number of lines declaring the variables and all these things. So your code is more readable, but there is a risk in it. If you misspelled any variable name, it might go crazy. So that risk is there. So, but Python main aim is the programming should be like your English language. That is the main aim. Programming should be like English language. Programming should be like poetry. Yeah, that is the reason you see the here the indentation, like in a poetry you see the indentation, here also is the indentation, and through indentation it carries these values. So that is the Python language. I believe that is the reason. I think you are getting the screen, please. Everyone, please.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, great. I am just looking at the questions.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Visible.
put your questions in your WhatsApp group. You are in Wednesday group. I'm taking the question. Yeah, namespace in Python. Yes, namespace is Python. I'll answer this. Maybe not able to answer to all this. Yeah, Shovik Day. PayPay is a standard. I'll clear it. Yeah, it is a one. PayPay is kind of a standard in Python programming. Like you should have 4 spaces. You should continue. It's to beautify like this. It's a standard and you should follow. I'll elaborate. Python path is asked Shoham De Sarkar. Python path is whenever you are running in a Python in a say in a desktop machine, then it might matter. But whenever we are working, Python is a collab, that is a remote machine at Google. I prefer that because most of these things can be done. Another way you can run Python on Raspberry Pi. If somebody is interested, Raspberry Pi is very funny to use. It's a you can always have a second computer at your home, and it has all the features, browsing and everything. Okay, I'll make more clear on it. Python modules. Yes, good question, Suchishmita. I tried to answer. Then Tanushree Shaw, is there any concept this in Python? Yes, good, very question. Here, this in Java, it is here called self. Okay, but self name can be varied. It can be self 1, self 2. I'll cover one program today. So this is here used is a self. So Java, whatever you see this, here it is a self. I'll try to this. Yeah. What is pickling and unpickling? Very good question. Yeah, there's a pickling. What is the difference between sub-in? Okay. Oh, another good question. Ankita Chaudhary. Pass in Python. Anybody can answer what is pass in Python? Pass in Python is basically a dummy statement. Though it's a dummy, it is very useful statement. You can write a function name with the def my function colon and just written pass under it. So that is the body of the function. And whenever your body will be ready, you put the body instead of pass. So pass is very useful thing. Like probably you'll cover 8085 microprocessor. In 8085 microprocessor, one good instruction is there called NOP, no operation. NOP is like a 8-bit instruction. It does take one clock cycle value. It doesn't do anything. It damn do anything. So pass is here same thing. It is a kind of a filler, but it's a statement. It is a programming statement. You can put it any place, and you can put it in a. You write a class. You write a function. You just function with. You are not ready with the value. You just put pass onto it. that means the function would run. If the function is empty, the Python interpreter would raise error. Is it okay? My answer is okay. Anybody make a question?
Yes, sir.
Ankita got this. Pass is very useful construct so that you can use it and function and all this. Yeah. Show home done. Oh, you know a lot. Okay. So okay, not all this thing. I'll cover this. You keep on doing this today, and some of you also do this thing in your assignment. Okay. First assignment. I'll come to this. First assignment is what about your, because you are the first one, some other already groups are submitting projects. So mini hackathon, I think groups are ready. Anybody, any confusion, you can raise. The groups are ready. You can take group members from your this, or you can take one section. I am not taking in section A, that is section A, I think group 2. I was in both the sections here. I am taking with Subhashish sir, and there as Subhashish sir, I am taking one group, probably first group, group 1. Group 2 probably group 2 I am not taking in section A. So if you have any kind, because all of you are working in this small hackathon project, first of all, it should be a fun. You have to make a video. You have to make a 30-second video, and you have to make a GitHub, and you have to make your YouTube channel ready. You should upload your video, and you should upload your video to me also. I can also I assembled some of the good one, and we will declare who is the within group who is first, second, third. All the class who is the first, second, third. That it's ranking. I don't believe, but sometimes it helps. But wherever you cannot escape ranking. So I think any question about this hackathon and what should be done? Preferably I ask you to make a web app through Python. There are a lot of things to be learned, so you have enough time. You can learn web app. If you can't, then you can game. And some of the NASA hackathon probably you are aware of. We are basically selecting students for this. So if you are ready with some ideas, so that getting values from the NASA and various space stations through API call, and Python, it is damn easy. The one good point is what you cannot think in other language, say Java, there are lots of code and libraries to be built in. Python is everything is damn easy. And if you use a Colab, Google Colab, it is much more easier. You don't have to import the various matplotlib, because in various environments, Windows running Python, the commands are different, and if you run it on Linux, commands are different for running libraries importing. But if you do it Colab, everything is same. So, but if you Raspberry, that is you have to do. So, any question regarding this? So, what I expect, whether IPL or not? Yeah. Any question, please? Yeah.
Sir, regarding the presentation, you asked us to make a presentation with respect to our.
Ankita, first tell your name, please, Ankita, because I am in a full version PPT, so I can see who is speaking. You tell your name. I think Ankita. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me. Carry on.
Well, regarding the presentation, you said that along with that project, we need to give a presentation. So, can you please say what the slide should exactly contain?
No. It is, first of all, that is your question is little bit. Nothing is exact in this world. You are Ankita. I am SSC. Subhashish says, so you don't have to be exact. First of all, so you should have a passion and a programming. That is the reason you have taken the computer science subject. So from your passion, whatever you do, that's the thing. If it is a 30-second video, if it is a 3-minute video, it doesn't matter. But we prefer it should be a 30-second video, 30 to 1 minute maximum. And the video, it should have the objective, why you are doing this project, what is the input to this project, what is the output screen, what is the sample screen, and what is you expect to do. A lot of things. That's the video. So it has to be. I will send two. I think I have sent you 2 representative videos, 2 of your seniors. So I think you can get enough idea, but you can be You can be different, no issue. So, but it should be video. Yeah. Any question, please? Okay, have I answered your question, please?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You could be drastically different because there is no such making template, but you can see NASA hackathon, who are the winners of the NASA hackathon. You can go to the site and winners hackathon, the videos, they are all 30-second videos. You try to get it, and somebody I think should be good enough to get good videos. So maybe a lot of video makers are there from static images and your program output. You should make good videos, and your faces should be there so that you can see speaking. So we select a person of your group. He or she maybe one person should be group leader. So it is the concept of any hackathon. So there should not be any conflict. So you try to put one person as a hackathon, and another person, another boy or girl can do all this video. So you must look for a skill who can make a good video, not only programming. So video matters a lot. So video making you must learn. This is the world, not only programming. What your program does, that you should pack it in a video, and that will, most of the hackathons, they judge by the quality of video, and then if they're impressed, then they go to your coding. That's all. Any other question, please? Ankita, you are right. You have got it. Any other, please?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any other?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir,
Your name?
this,
Your name?
Shorashi.
Shorashi, tell me.
Yes, sir. I was asking, like, when we have to submit the whole project, like we have it
Shorashi,
done.
Shorashi, this is also I am telling you, you cannot submit also. I don't mind. So it is your passion. So it is not like your standard assignment. So it is, you should love to do it. So my idea of date is because we are selecting students for the 2nd to 3rd October of NASA hackathon. We wish to push a lot of students there. So you get then you get the date. So definitely within 1 week we should give it, or you might not give it. You don't mind. So only thing is that all 120 or 60 people will not go to the hackathon who are really passion for this. See, some people love coding, some people love video making, some people do 9 point, 10 points, and they some point.
Sir, we can't hear you, sir.
Yeah, why you're not getting me? But just a minute. Hello, are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes.
Great. So see, you should select a group so that you can contribute. And today is Wednesday, so I'm expecting Monday 7 p.m. The videos and project should be submitted. First draft. Okay, is it ready, or I should say Monday is not enough days, and before that you can also submit Monday 7 p.m. so that we can choose this. Okay, who first, second, third. So Monday. Today is Wednesday, the lot of time, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So, and this is already announced. So, you do a work and then you can carry on the work. So, from the Monday, we say, okay, but Monday is first cutoff date. Those who cannot give, those should not be allowed to give. This is I want to mention. So, you try to do whatever you can, a PPT, a video, and a program, and a doc file. And doc file should contain your program. That's all. And you should have a GitHub, and the program should be available at GitHub. And that's it. Everybody should have GitHub. Any doubt, please? Yes. I think there should be no doubt.
I have a doubt.
Yeah. What is your name, please?
Sir, Soham.
Show him. Tell me, show him.
Sir, GitHub account should be of any one, and then adding the other contributors. Like,
Yes. A leader account, it should be there. Everybody should have GitHub account, and the leader GitHub account, the program should be available, and the leader should share it to others. Are you getting my point? Is got it?
Okay.
The leader account should be there. That is a practice. You go to any hackathon, and there's a practice we are following. NASA hackathon, we are following the NASA hackathon. That's it. Any other question? Okay, I expect everybody should submit. I think it's a fun and you can take. Yeah, that's all. So the Python, this is the Van Rossum. This is thing. Oh, another after Monday, this Monday, along with this, if you you just find it out like call by value, call by reference. Really, it is not easy. Shubhashish sir, we are all trying to this thing. So I think you practically go into your book and theory. You try to find it out what is the call by value, what is call by reference, how they are treated in C, C++, Java, and Python. Because I know most of you know a little bit of Java, and if you don't know, you just try to find it out. And at least you know C and C++, and C++ and Python you already know. So you try to submit a small 2-page document, email me with sample code and your understanding about the with a diagram, not lot of thing, call by value, call by reference, and questions. It is same group can do one same NASA group, only one answer from group is enough. If it is possible, then give it, or you can delay it from the, because I am taking this final year students this Saturday. I will take some Python specific, advanced Python specific this thing lectures. So I wish to take the inputs from you. So I will suggest if you can, like good questions. I got it today's WhatsApp group. You keep on give good questions. These are the standard questions. That means you are on it. That you are liking it. That you are on it. You ask the questions and some of the answers. And if you think these things is tricky, like return type many, like Python doesn't have any. I think everybody know why dynamic typing. Because whenever you is a dynamic typing, that means your compile time will be less. There is no compilation in Python. Your running time will be more. So why the running time is more? But one great advantage of dynamic typing is the program at late binding. You call the late binding and early binding. C is early binding. All compiler checks everything so that your variable, what kind of variable. But in Python, at the actual time, it will be taking time. And what is the advantage? The Python is it can work with many modules. So most of the now machine learning module in Python, because it late binding. So not everything is bad as a late binding. So early binding give performance, but late binding gives facilities so that you can run your program at many places and runs on Python virtual machine. So it's a dynamic thing, but it is a strong entity type. Though it's a dynamic, strong means if you cannot convert integer to float, you have to casting operator on it. So this thing you should know. Let's do the next slide if you can. These things, here Plotleaf is very much interested. If NumPy, you must know quickly. I try to cover NumPy as early as possible. Django is a little difficult. It's a web framework. You can use Flask. Flask web framework. You can make a web app. The Flask, because whole Python takes the backend of your programming. Backend means your middleware, your backend. You don't have to touch any other language. Front end maybe HTML5 and JavaScript. With these tools, you can learn any program runs on your net. Yeah, these things I have already covered. Today, what I want to cover is the Python class definition, Python object. I think anybody you have some little idea of object-oriented programming? Most of you, I believe. Just quickly, what is object-oriented programming? Any idea? What is object-oriented programming? Anyone can answer. So class maybe little bit active class. Anyone please. Yes?
Sir, in object-oriented programming, we basically use different objects where we can store.
Yes, great. What is your name?
Sir, Shorashish.
Shorashish. Why the object-oriented programming? Okay, you please. Other can answer. Why object-oriented programming? What is what is the other alternative? What C is giving? What kind of programming? Anybody other
Sir,
than
data
Shoresh?
security. Data security.
Who says?
Tathagato.
Tathagato is not fully correct. Data security comes later, but it is not first priority. It may be second or third priority. Okay. Anyone? I'm getting answer. Good. Anyone? No one is
And-
answering. Any girl I want.
Encapsulation.
Yes, yes. Who is speaking? Who is speaking?
Encapsulation.
Who is speaking?
It's Shurashish.
Shourashish, you must not speak. I have told you. You have
Okay,
already. Because let others give the chance. Please, anyone other than Shourashish and yes? What about Ankita?
Polymorphism.
Who is speaking? Who is speaking?
Soham.
Shom. Polymorphism
Soham.
comes.
Soham.
No, polymorphism comes later. Wrong. Answer is wrong. First is what Shourashish has stated. First is encapsulation. First point is encapsulation. Then comes inheritance. Then comes the polymorphism. The three pillars. So, what is encapsulation? Encapsulation means that everything, if you have any public variable, that should not be there. Every variable, no global variable. The object-oriented programming concept is if you have a variable which you can manipulate, say in kind of a yellow taxi in Calcutta, you see if you really observe yellow taxi, you can't see the two wiper, only one wiper there. Why? Because most of the yellow taxis are left over at the road, and the driver intentionally take one wiper took away because he fears that other wiper will be taken away. It is perfectly. You see, most of the taxis, old taxis, are a single wiper because that is a outside variable. But nobody can take engine because it's inside. Nobody can take the steering wheel; it's inside. So, but anybody can take this your wiper. So that is the concept of the public variable should not be there. That is, somebody says security. Yes, security is one of the reason. One of the main reason is security. He is correct. So first is encapsulate your object. First of all, what is object-oriented programming? Object-oriented programming is like a real-life scenario. Like I am a teacher class object, and you are all are student class object. We are communicating ourselves through messages, and there we are enriching our experience. That is object-oriented programming, you can say. But if you really calculate what is the calculation of, say, seismic activity, what is the chance of, say, earthquake, or what is the distance of sun to compare to earth right now. So this kind of scientific calculation, maybe a lot of differential equation, then object-oriented programming is a failure. So then the procedural programming, mathematical calculations and the procedural programming like C is giving C, C++ much better. But whenever you go for a real life scenario like this kind of thing, like here, then the object-oriented programming is much better. The first criteria of object-oriented programming is you have to make a class. Class is nothing but a template, and this class can be inherited so that you can make a base class with same property with some additional members. You can make a child class, then you can make another child class, and then you can create object from it, and then you have a same method name. Say if you have a name wash, if you give the method name same, if you wash the car, then your method washing the car would be different. If you say wash the baby, then the baby washing would be different, and if you say wash the bottle, that washing will be different. So your function name is the same. In object-oriented programming, we say not function, we call it a method. The function name would be the same, and your depends on your which object it will run. That is, and the function body will dramatically change. That somebody has told correctly. That is called polymorphism. So what is the basic things are there in object-oriented programming? First is you have to a class designer first go for as many as class creation, but he or she must see the commonality of the classes. So she or she should create the base class. Like in Java, there is a base class called object. Now this is your home task. What is the base class in Python? Write it. So I want the answer next class. I ask this quiz. Like you have said some quizzes. Some of the quiz I got it. Some of the quiz I have to also look up. So in Java, everything comes from a Java is kind of a same no Adam and Eve concept. Java is like humans. We have a concept, a biblical concept like Adam and Eve. We are all Christians believe, but here in Java there is only one Adam or one Eve, that is object. Everything is this object is the base class, and in Java everything comes from this object class. And same thing, you have to see the commonality. Object class type of thing is be there in the Python, and you can create base classes and then more base classes, and you have a class variable. Class variable means that's a common variable. All member object will share that, and that is called class variable. And another variable should be the object has its own copy of variable, like your own copy of savings book, and you can create object out of it. The object can communicate with this with the method name. Then we call, whenever you declare a function in a class, then we don't call it a function, we call it a method. It's a typical term in object-oriented programming, like you have Subhashis sir had shown how to create a function with def. That is that the constructor is, whenever a class object is created, the first thing is object have to have like some basic things is that is first name, last name, date of birth, or in the car it may be chassis key, car name. So that should be the constructor. The constructor name in Java and class name is the same, and in the Python the constructor name is different. It is underscore underscore init underscore underscore. We'll come to this. This is a constructor. In Java, the class name and constructor can be overloaded. What is overloaded? Overloaded means you have the function names are same, but number of parameters can be different. That is called function overloading. But in Python, the constructor overloading is not there. So every class has that is a more simplified. So the Python code is more readable because it is your constructor is only one. So that is it. And I think now I expect some questions from you. Yes. Any question? Yeah. I got. Yes. Any question? Okay. Fine. So that's it. So let's go. So like this is a base class. It is a further class derived from this. I think any question you can stop me and ask the question directly. So this is interactive class. This is a Python class and a blueprint to create objects. And object is the base class. Yeah, same. I got your answer. Same as Java. And in Java, you have to write a public class, but here you don't have to use public. Only class is sufficient. So class is same. You don't have to write. And Python constructor is like underscore underscore init underscore underscore. Python doesn't support multiple constructor. I have said, and no constructor overloading. No constructor means you cannot have same name, just changing your parameters. You are overloading, so that at any times one constructor can act. Yeah. Any question you can make your microphone on and ask the question directly. Okay, great. So we go for this. So this is difference is Python is a Python. Are you getting everyone? I think please want an answer. Anyone please answer. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. We are
Great,
getting-
great, great. Thank you. Sometimes it is one should ask question every 5 minutes, one at a time, not same Shourashish or Shoham, alternate. Please, everybody ask a question. Shourashish will ask the question. Yeah, very good. Shoham also very good. Okay, so this is that's the interactiveness. Like we are like a same class we are doing, but right now we have to be safe. So that environment should be there. One or two questions will help us. Yeah. Any question in your mind, you just put on. You make your microphone on. Though it's recording, no issue. Recording will be there for your. You you can see if you have a good funny question, then you will laugh at it and you'll enjoy in your later moments, because it will be the YouTube for your future. You can show your child that you have asked the question and the professor told me. Okay, carry on. So this is a Python class. There is no public, and in Java is the public, and variable declaration here in Java is not there. So its code will be much concise and more readable. And this is the Sir has already taught you, that is the def function call, and it is what is constructor. This is a constructor, and here somebody asks very good question, self, and in Java this is called this. Okay, I think who has asked the question, please? Good question. So this is alternative of self, but catch is there. The self should be only then, you can put any name, it will take, but it should be the first variable name. It should, like, it can be this also, so it should be this with this side, but it is better in Python you remember to for self. Like I always say, it is better to have 4 spaces as an indentation. That is the international PEP 8 standard. This is the PEP 8. Somebody asked the question, so it will be self, and that's it. And this is the child class, and square, it is like a C++, like within bracket the base class, and here in Java it is public class square. You have to write so much things, public, you have to say class, then square, extends, rectangle. But that means it is a square is a child class and base class is rectangle, and here it's much simpler, square, rectangle. This is the constructor, and this is the constructor, the same name, the Java, and here it is self, it is a this, but self should be the first name here. Okay, so that's it. Any question, please? Any question? Otherwise, I think anyone ask any question, damn question. Yeah, hello, you are getting me? Anyone respond?
Yes, sir, we can.
Yes,
Any
sir.
question? Any question you have? Okay, let's carry on. So this function I will carry first. We'll go for write a Python class. Just a minute. Go to this. Yeah. See here, everybody know Google Colab. Everybody I know. It is just you open your Google Gmail and go another tab. You write Google space Colab. You will automatically land up there. You make a create new window. You will get a IPython there. You can work everything there. So, and one good thing is that your machine might crash, your program will be there. So that is one great advantage. You will get a 12 GB machine with GPU. So any questions regarding Colab? But your program can run only on 12 hours. So at your laptop you can run your program 24 hours, and that is the limitation. Yes. So here we are just see how it is a class person, and this is a constructor. First name, last name, self first name. I put my first name and last name. So this screen is visible, please. Hello, this screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's
Great.
visible.
So this
Yes,
is,
sir.
yes, great. So this is a class declaration. Everything will be recorded. You will get it, and the screenshot will be given to you. So don't worry. You just ask question. So just write it. How just fire this. Yeah, I'm executing. Yeah, it is the 2 object name Somnath Rai Chaudhary. I have created 2 object, person first name, second name, Y person Amrit Ghosh, and print name. So any confusion about the class creation? Yes, I think no. You should, everybody should look at it. This is a great example of pass. Somebody about the pass is required because you have given a pass. It will run. It will run. But if we just see pass, if we just comment it, it will not run. I can guarantee. Okay. So there is another program like class student base class is person. In Java, it will be student extend to person like this. Your base class. It is constructor, self name, add properties, class student person, first name, and you are calling the super, means you are calling the higher class init constructor. Okay, you are calling higher class constructor, and this is your practice. Today I have some small issue, so I have to leave. So this is a small home task. You get it. I am get the program W3 Schools Python. Okay, that is a very good site. You can see lots of sites are good. I found it very good. I got the program. This is a you are using what I am telling. What is this thing? It is a base class. The base class is person. You create another class student, and you are using the constructor of super. That means you are not your super means your earlier class constructor, and do certain program. So this you must do. Okay. So any question, then I can take any question. So lots of questions are there. What I'll do, I'll make a small videos. I have to make for my 2021 batches. So I intentionally make what are the good questions I got it. You try to. You don't have to answer. You whatever things you do not understand, you put me the questions. I'll try to get some questions are very interesting, like call by value, call by reference, Python supports where call by value. It is really a tricky question what Subhashis sir has told, and so you have to know by heart as a computer scientist. So you must go through it. If you can give me good answers with questions, with good answers, with documentations, so that I can share. Or also, if you can, you just give me the questions. What I'll do, I'll create those small videos, and because the final year they don't have time, so and videos are also very good. I also love to enjoy this making videos, and also it will be for everyone can see and all this. I will send you videos. Some of you, I'll send you some of you my compiler construction videos. That will be helpful if you're a little bit advanced, because you have to be, because if you know a little bit of how the compilers are made, so then you can understand the computer languages much better way. Why Python does this way, why not in Java way, why not? So every language has its advantage. Python is not the end of the road. Python is really doing its job. Maybe another language are coming which are more advanced, more less code you have to write, but it has to be free. Like MATLAB, probably some of you have heard. Electronics and electrical students, they learn MATLAB. It is really a powerful language, but problem is not free. Huge license cost. That is not the way not in the developing countries. In advanced countries, even Google, Facebook, everything is meant on open source communities, the open source libraries. So Python and C, we are focusing on for this. So any project, please do up the project. We are making a selection for NASA hackathon. I wish to take you the some of the groups with the seniors, or you can make your own group. Any question you can ask me. Sometimes I am not very good in typing, so you can ask me, because after 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock I generally go into making videos. At that time I might not, my phones are in mute, so no way you can make a call, I might not answer. That means I am making something more serious things. So that's it. Any questions? So I think so. Make your microphone on and make my stop sharing. Yeah, let's don't ask. I have to see you. This. Are you getting? Please answer me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, great. Just a minute. There's so many screens. Yeah.